Okay, so we boarded the aircraft finally after the bus ride and climb up the stairs. And the good news is the APU is running, so we've got a bit of air conditioning because the weather is really hot at this time of the day, and it's very nice. We're flying back to London after this morning's flight cancellation and all the delays. So I'm going to resume video recording to cover the usual engine start, takeoff, landing and so on. Main engine start is just commence. We are currently 12 minutes late. We're currently 12 minutes late. So that's the sound of the engine start up, and with the aircraft parked like that, there is no need for pushback sequence. The second engine is starting up.
A mantenere i bracciali abbassati trascurando i movimenti interni. A questo momento tutti i dispositivi elettronici devono essere spenti e durante la fase di crociera sarà possibile utilizzare il telefono cellulare, smartphone e tablet solo selezionando ora la modalità d'uso aereo. Vi ricordiamo che non è consentito fumare a bordo dei nostri aerei, compreso l'elettroletto dove sono localizzati dei rilevatori di fumo carte. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, we kindly ask you to fasten your seatbelt, lock your tray table, bring your seat back into the prime position, keep your arms down and with the blinds open. From now on, any electronic device must be switched off. During the cruise, you can use your mobile phones, smartphones and personal computers.
So we're going to stop the recording very shortly.
Smoking is not allowed in any area of the aircraft, including the lavatories, which are equipped with some protective person vacuum.
To resume it when we are on the taxiway and approaching the runway for takeoff. We just started to move. Alright, by the way, this is an Airbus A321 and this is Alitalia flight 230 from Milan Linate to London Heathrow Terminal 4. We've just been given the clearance for takeoff. Milan Linate is a very small airport. It's a single runway operation airport. So here we go. from this angle, we should be able to see the reverse thrusters operating upon landing, so I do intend to record that as well. This is seat number 18F on this Airbus A321. I must say that the cabin is very hot at the moment. It's like as though the air conditioning isn't really working, which is quite annoying. I'm going to stop the recording now and resume it at some point.